What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset MetaTrader 5 demo account. So if you're looking for a way to reset your demo account here for MetaTrader 5, well, there is one easy way for you to do so. Well, first things first is you want to go to your settings first at the bottom right here and just choose the manage account option and just delete your old account. Now once you've deleted your old account here, you can just add a new MetaTrader 5 demo account again. So to do that, what we need to do is, again, you want to go to your settings at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says new account. And from here, choose the MetaCodes LTD option. Now from then on, you can go ahead and choose the demo account option here. So you could register an account to learn trading and test your strategies. And once you click on it, it will ask you a few things that includes some details that you may want to include on your demo account. But once you've done that, you should now have created, or in this case, added a new demo account here for MetaTrader 5. Now, unfortunately, this is the only way for us to refresh our MetaTrader 5 demo account here. Now, if you don't want to delete your old account, there is an option for you to add another demo account, which in this case you could use parallel with your old demo account here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.